Today we are going to learn how to solve problems related to rates, custom duty, income tax. My first example is a house of assessed annual value 1 lakh is charged annual rates of 5%. Calculate the rates that have to be paid for a quota. Annual rates we can calculate. Percentage has given 5%. 1 lakh multiplied by 5 over 100. Then 1 lakh multiplied by 5 over 100. We can cut this 0 to this 0. Then 1000 should multiply by 5. Then answer is 5000 rupees. The rates that have to be paid for a quota. This is the annual amount. To find the value of the quartile, we have to divide this value by 4. When 5000 divided by 4, answer is 1250 rupees. Okay, let's move to the second example. The assessed annual value of a shop with the administrative domain of a certain urban council is 80,000 rupees. The quartile rates payable on this property is 800 rupees. Calculate the rates on percentage charged by the council. Assessed annual value of the shop has given 80,000 rupees. Rates charged for a year equal 800 multiplied by 4. Then annually amount is 3200 rupees. Now we need to find the percentage. 3200 rupees out of 80,000 rupees. We want to find the percentage. Therefore we have to multiply this by 100. When multiply this by 100, 4%. We can cut to this 2 zeros to 2 zeros. Then we can cut this 2 zeros to this 2 zeros. 32 we can divide by 8. Then answer is 4%. If custom duty of 5% of the value of the item has to be paid when a certain type of phone is imported, how much duty has to be paid when a phone of this type of value 50,000 rupees is imported? Custom duty that has to be paid equal 50,000 into 5 over 100. Custom duty equal 2500. Now you have to pay more 2500 to import this phone. Custom duty amount is 2500 rupees. Let's move to the other example. Amount of custom duty that has to be paid when a car is imported 50. First read the question. When a car is imported, 50% of its value has to be paid as custom duty. Find the total amount with the duty included that it cost a person to import a car worth 30 lakh rupees. Method 1. First we can calculate the custom duty amount. 30 lakh to 50%. 30 lakh into 50 over 100. Then 15 lakh should pay as a custom duty amount. Right? To find the total amount that we should pay to buy this car, 30 lakh should added to 15 lakh. Then total amount of worth of this car is 45 lakh. We can make this sum directly. 100 mean 30 lakh rupees. 100 mean 30 lakh rupees. We want to find 150 lakh. 150. Therefore 30 lakh multiplied by 150 over 100. Directly we will get the answer 45 lakh rupees. Next one. If 36,000 rupees was charged as duty when a stock of shoes worth 6 lakh was exported to the European countries. Find the percentage of custom duty. Percentage charged as custom duty 36,000 to 6 lakh. We want to find the percentage, then multiply by 100. Then you will get 6%. 6%. Example number 4. The value of a radio set. The value of a radio set with 20% custom duty added to it is 96,000 rupees. What is the value of the radio set without the duty? Value of the television set without the custom duty 96,000 into 100 over 120. We can simply identify as 120 mean 96,000. 120% mean 96,000. 1% mean 96,000 divided by 120. We want to find the 100 value. Then 96,000 divided by 120 multiply by 100. Then answer is 80,000 rupees. 80,000 rupees. Now we are going to do the calculations related to income tax. Income tax is a tax that charged by government from individual when they exceeds a certain amount of income related to a year. As an example, we can read the note again. The government imposes a tax on the annual income of an individual which is earned as salary from property or through a business and which exceeds a certain limit. Such taxes are called income tax. The income tax for a particular year can either be paid annually or in quarterly installments. As an example, let's take the given table. As an example, when we consider in this table, initial 5 lakh. If a person income of a person in a year is 5 lakh, then he is released from this tax. Initial 5 lakh tax free. If his income is equal to 10 lakh, next 5 lakh charge 4%. If his income is equal to 15 lakh, next 5 lakh charge 8%. Next 5 lakh 12%, as follows, right? As an example, annual income of a person is 6,25,000. Calculate the total income tax he has to pay. 6,25,000 we can divide as 5 lakh plus 1,25,000. 5 lakh tax free. Next 1,25,000 4%. Income tax he should pay 1,25,000 into 4 over 100. Then 500 rupees he should pay as a income tax. My next example is if the annual income of a certain businessman is 32 lakh, calculate the total annual income tax he has to pay. We can break this 32 lakh into 5 lakh plus 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 2 lakh. First 5 lakh tax free. Next one charge 4%. Next one 8%. Next one 12%. Next one 16%. Next one 20%. Last 2 lakh charge 24%. Then tax free income is equal to 5 lakh. Tax charge on the next 5 lakh we can calculate 5 lakh into 4 over 100. Then when we do the calculations it equal to 20,000 rupees. Tax charge on the next 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 8 over 100. 40,000 rupees. Tax charge on the next 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 12 over 100. 60,000 rupees. Tax charge on the next 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 16 over 100. 80,000 rupees. Tax charge on the next 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 20 over 100. 10,000 rupees. Tax charge on the next 2 lakh. 24 over 100. Then 48,000 rupees. Now we want to find the total amount he should pay as a tax, income tax. Then we have to get the addition of 20,000 plus 40,000 plus 60,000 plus 80,000 plus 1 lakh plus 48,000. Then total amount he should pay as a tax 3,48,000. 3,48,000. Okay, now we are going to solve the problem value added tax. When a property or a service is bought, a percentage of its total value is charged as value added tax. Example number 1. Certain person monthly telephone charges are 3,000. If a VAT of 20% is added to this charge, what is his monthly bill? Bill is 3,000. 20% added as value added tax. VAT එක විදිහට as a VAT we have to pay 20%. Then 3,000 into 20 over 100. Then VAT amount is 600 rupees. Total bill equal 3,000 plus 600. Then final answer is his bill is 3,600 rupees. Thank you.